Welcome to Uganda, your next Airbnb adventure. This East African gem is waiting to be explored. Uganda is known as the Pearl of Africa, a title it truly deserves. It boasts stunning landscapes, abundant wildlife, and vibrant cultures. Tourism is growing rapidly, attracting adventurers from all over the globe. Airbnb offers a unique opportunity to experience Uganda in a way that hotels simply can't match. Share Uganda's beauty with the world by opening your home to travelers. Airbnb allows travelers to experience a place like a local, offering a more personal and intimate stay. Instead of hotels, guests stay in homes, which provides a more authentic experience. This creates a more immersive experience, allowing guests to truly connect with the local culture. For hosts, it's a chance to earn income while sharing their culture and traditions. Share your space and your culture, and make lasting connections with people from around the world. Uganda is an ideal Airbnb location for several reasons, including its natural beauty and welcoming people. It offers natural beauty, from mountains to lakes, providing endless opportunities for adventure. Wildlife safaris are a major draw. Guests seek cultural experiences, and friendly locals welcome visitors with open arms. Starting an Airbnb business requires planning and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. The rewards are significant, from earning extra income to receiving positive reviews from happy guests. You can earn extra income and showcase your beautiful home. You can share your love for Uganda and its rich culture. You can be part of a growing tourism industry, making a positive impact on your community. Uganda's tourism industry is on the rise, attracting more visitors each year. More travelers are discovering its wonders, from breathtaking landscapes to diverse wildlife. This surge in tourism means a growing demand for unique and memorable accommodations. Airbnb provides an excellent alternative to traditional hotels, offering personalized experiences. As a host, you have the flexibility to set your own prices, ensuring you meet your financial goals. Consider factors like location, property size, and amenities when pricing your property. Research what similar listings charge to stay competitive in the market. You can adjust prices based on demand and seasonality, maximizing your earnings. Marketing your property effectively is key to attracting guests. Use various platforms to reach a wider audience. Highlight what makes your listing special, such as unique features or amenities. Use high-quality photos and write a compelling description to attract potential guests. Utilize social media to reach potential guests and increase your visibility. Managing your Airbnb business efficiently is crucial for profitability. Respond to inquiries promptly. Provide excellent customer service. Maintain your property well. Positive reviews lead to more bookings, so always strive to exceed guest expectations. Sustainable tourism is essential for preserving Uganda's natural beauty. Adopt eco-friendly practices in your Airbnb operation. Reduce your environmental impact and appeal to conscious travelers. Conserve water by installing low-flow shower heads and toilets. Encourage guests to reuse towels. Collect rainwater for gardening or cleaning. Small changes can make a big difference. Reduce energy consumption by using energy-efficient appliances. Install LED lighting. Provide guests with the option to decline daily linen changes. Promote responsible waste management. Support local communities by sourcing goods and services locally. Recommend nearby restaurants and shops. Share information about local artisans and cultural experiences. Empower your community. Section 4. Navigating the challenges. Be prepared, be successful. Starting any business comes with challenges. Understanding potential obstacles in Uganda is key. Being prepared helps you overcome these hurdles and succeed as an Airbnb host. Internet access can be unreliable in some areas. Ensure your property has a stable internet connection. Provide clear instructions to guests on how to connect. Consider offering mobile data options. Language barriers may arise. Learn basic phrases in local languages. Provide translated materials for guests. Use online translation tools when communicating. Embrace cultural exchange. Competition from established hotels and other rentals exists. Differentiate yourself by offering a unique experience. Focus on personalized service, local insights, and authentic Ugandan hospitality. Section 5. Getting started, your Airbnb checklist. Before listing your property, take these essential steps. Ensure you meet legal requirements and set yourself up for success. Careful preparation now will save you headaches later. Register your business with the relevant authorities. Obtain any necessary permits or licenses. Familiarize yourself with tax obligations. Operating legally is crucial. Prepare your property for guests. Ensure it is clean, safe, and well-maintained. Furnish it comfortably and attractively. Provide essential amenities like linens, towels, and toiletries. Create a compelling Airbnb listing. Use high-quality photos to showcase your space. Write a detailed description highlighting key features and nearby attractions. Set competitive prices. Section 6. Partnering for success. Finding the right support. Starting an Airbnb business doesn't mean going it alone. In fact, seeking the right support can be a game changer. Connect with resources and support to help you thrive. This includes business advisors, mentors, and local experts. Collaboration and guidance can contribute to your success. Don't underestimate the power of a strong support network. Network with other Airbnb hosts in Uganda. Sharing experiences and strategies can provide valuable insights. Join online forums or social media groups. These platforms are great for exchanging tips and advice. Share experiences, tips, and advice. Learning from others can help you avoid common pitfalls. Learn from others who understand the local market. Their insights can be invaluable for your business. Consider hiring a property manager if you're unable to handle day-to-day operations. They can be a crucial asset. They can assist with guest communication, cleaning, maintenance, and more. This allows you to focus on growth. Choose a reputable manager with local expertise. Their knowledge can make a significant difference. Partner with local tour operators and experience providers. This can enhance your guest stay. Offer guests curated packages or discounts. These added perks can set your listing apart. This adds value to your listing and promotes local businesses. Create mutually beneficial relationships. By doing so, you not only support your community, but also enhance your guests' experience. Section 7. Ready to host? Your Ugandan adventure awaits. Starting an Airbnb business in Uganda is an exciting opportunity. You can share this beautiful country with the world while earning extra income. Embrace the adventure and reap the rewards. Remember to focus on sustainability, profitability, and overcoming challenges. By following these steps, you can create a successful and fulfilling Airbnb venture in the heart of Africa. Uganda welcomes you with open arms. Share its magic with the world, one guest at a time. Your Airbnb journey starts now.